Well, you've probably heard it in a movie or elsewhere. Be the ball, breathe the ball, just feel that ball. But seriously, imagery can play a very important part in an athlete's success. So joining us now is Dr. Stankovich, a sports psychology expert, to talk about how visualization can increase your confidence and your little athlete's confidence. Thanks for joining us once again,
Erica.
Chris. Let's talk about this, be the ball. How does it actually help an athlete?
Well, imagery is a very powerful tool that can help athletes developing self-confidence. It can help them with their performance, and it can even help through injury rehabilitation. It helps them see what they want to achieve in the future. It helps, in theory, develop neural connections in the brain, and essentially it helps you be in a situation even before you're there.
Yeah, there are all kinds of things where a golfer, like in prison, worked on his golf swing and then came out a better golfer, and those kind of stories, but there's proof that that actually works?
There seems to be more and more mounting proof that imagery is a very powerful tool, and one thing that it does, in addition to helping you with focus and concentration, it gives you something to think about other than the other things that usually are around an athlete at the time of competition, including fans and other distractions, so it helps center a person as well.
And this gets easier, I'm assuming, as we get older. When we're talking about young children, our little athletes, how can we help them focus on visualizing what they want to happen?
It's a great question. At the advanced stages of imagery, athletes often use all the senses, even what it feels like to go through a movement or a motion. But with the little guys, I think just the basics of helping them see the next play, where they're supposed to be when that play develops, just the basics of seeing themselves be successful can be a huge step toward being a better athlete for a youngster.
Yeah, just the basic. Picture that ball going in the hoop, and yeah, it's something you can start with the very young children, even age 3 or 4, I think.
Easily, yeah. The basics can be incorporated pretty early, and then as a child progresses through sport, you can start to work with them on some of the more advanced techniques, as I said earlier, the kinesthetic imagery of what it feels like to swing a golf club or to swing a baseball bat.
And you touched on it a little bit, that this visualization can actually help in therapy for athletes recovering from injuries?
It really can. It does seem as though a lot of research today is showing that athletes who, for a few minutes a day, go through a guided imagery or even a self-imagery within their own mind of seeing themselves getting healthier, getting stronger. In some instances, it looks as though those athletes improve better, faster than athletes who are in a control group who just go through a normal rehabilitation process.
Interesting stuff. Thanks so much for talking to us once again. If you'd like to learn more about visualization through athletics, all you have to do is go to our website and click on